I welcome you all back to my channel. It's still your girl Serafina.
Like,
So today I get to
share, and comment.
with our Brazilian wool. Yes, practically we use 6 Brazilian wool. So this style that she decided to make is Afro twist. That style that it's like she emphasized on it that I should make the hair to be very full, like extremely full. So, and then she don't want anything that will touch her back or disturb her and all that kind of thing. So then I come up with the idea of weaving the back. You can see I'm still on the back. So I weave the back. I also styled it as well,
Subscribe.
no? I'm madam of style. As you all can see, I'm still on the weaving. Still weaving on the hair, and that's me. It looks so beautiful. Despite this the back. So that when I braid the hair, it will cover up this back. So after now I'm done with the weaving, I have to now tuck it in. So the place will look flat, and then when I make the hair, it will not show. Okay, that's the sense. So I achieved this by cutting the hair into two center, and then I weave the other head, the other side join to the center, and then the other side same thing. Though I styled it a little bit, as you can all see. So when I'm done weaving in, and then I now tuck in this middle, the center of it. After tucking it in, I have to fold it inside the hair, so it will not show, the excess will not show in any way. Okay, as you can see, look at how it looks like. This is how it turns out to be. We have to do it like this so that when you braid this hair, as you are braiding the hair now, it will cover it up, no excess will show. It won't show in any way. Even if somebody's looking at it, you don't notice nothing until maybe you raise it up or something. So I count 10 strands of the Brazilian wool. It used to come in pieces kind of. Yeah, so I count it into 10. Then and that's how I use in the twisting. I counted it so they will all be the same size. Yes, no more, no less. Then my twisting, I use left twisting. Yes, you can use right depending on the one that you flow easily with. Okay, and as you can see, I'm still on the twisting. I twist left. Yes, twisting left with Brazilian work is much preferable. So when you leave it, it will fall on its own easily to relax. Brazilian would have this strong texture. So as you all can see, the hair is really, really looking good, and we are almost done with it. Yes, we are almost done with it, and all thanks to God, it's so fabulous. Yes, yes. So the back. So now we'll start the video. This is where we are almost done. So as you can see, if you don't know how to start your twisting, this is a simple trick. This is how you will learn it. This is how you start. Okay, it's self-explanatory. You can try this out on your hair, on your friend's hair, on someone else, and then drop your comments there here on the comment section. Share your idea. Let's see how it goes. So you can see I'm still twisting. Like I said, I use left twisting. Yes, it's much better when you're twisting on Brazilian wool. And then, meanwhile, are you just watching? Have you subscribed to this channel? Please do us well by subscribing to this channel. Please encourage your baby girl. For more videos, you can turn on your notification so that whenever I make a new video, you will be notified. It will pop up to your on your phone. And then you can also share this video. Please share it to get more people. Like and comment, share your opinion. And thank you so much for being a friend in this. Thank you for always being there. I love you so much. Keep on watching. So as you're still on the breading, yes, I'm done twisting this one now. So I have to tie it. After I'm done twisting it, I tie the mouth, then use my scissors as you can see and trim the excesses. Okay, trim up the excess so that your hair will look neat and beautiful. Then I will then cut it off. After cutting it off, with my scissors. So I use lighter or something. I use light and then burn the mouth. You know, the mouth is always, you know how Brazilian will always look like. So I burn the mouth with either lighter or candle or whatever light that brings up light. That's why you could use and then burn them out so that it will last. It's not a must that you should. And then this is the art cup. This is it. This is it. This is Afro indeed. This is Afro cap. So beautiful. Oh, Mama was like, oh my god, this is really what I ordered. This is what I ordered. My sis, if you look at this, it's not really clear on this video, it but is what it is. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Turn on your notification button for new video.